Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be a Christmas haul, and I'm super excited because Christmas is literally around the corner. But the first thing I wanted to show you were some of the stuff I grabbed in Target and in Marshall's, Bath and Body Works, and Kirkland's. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is these gorgeous scented candles. I got these at the Target dollar spot, and oh my goodness, I just love the packaging itself. I decided to pick up this one that says Christmas time is here. I just love the dark green on this. And lately I've been super obsessed with all the hunter green or dark green. This one is in the scent of winter pine and it smells like a Christmas tree. I just love it. So I picked up one of these. I kind of wish I could go back and get a couple of more, but I already have so much candles, guys. I don't know why I got these. I just fell in love with the packaging. The next candle is so adorable. I just love what it says. I just want to bake stuff and watch Christmas movies. And yes, this is very accurate, guys, because I'm not a baker, but the Christmas movie part is so cute, and I don't mind putting those easy cookies in the oven. Comment down below and let me know if you guys agree too. And this one is in the scent of snowy birch. This one smells very good as well. The next candle I picked up at Target was this one that says it's beginning to smell a lot like Christmas, and I just love the red glass in this. This one is in the fragrance of Northwoods, and each of these candles were $3. And also, guys, let me know, what did you guys grab from the Target dollar spot? Also at the Target dollar spot, decided to get this interchangeable sign I fell in love with. They have a variety of them. They have the house one, but I decided to get the little sign one. I like the hook on it and the little wood right here and the twine. The first one is have yourself a merry little Christmas, and I just think this is very simple and to my liking. I just love stuff like this. Now when you flip this one over, the next one is Christmas time is here. And I just love this one. I think it's very cute and it matches the candle. Here is the candle with the sign, and it's exactly the same thing. And I just love it. And I like how you could change it. So you could be changing this every day if you wanted to. The next one is Holiday Cheer. And I think this one is very nice, especially if you're going to use a lot of red, or if you just want to feel merry and bright. And when you flip that one over, you get this one that says December 25 or 25th. And I just love this one too. I just love a little simple look. And the next one says, wishing your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I just love the little stocking there. And when you flip that one over, you get this one that says Merry Christmas. And I just love this one just because it's in a dark green. And like I mentioned already, I just love anything with the hunter green or a dark green right now. The next one is I just want to bake stuff and watch Christmas movies. And this one matches the same candle, but the sign is in the color of red and the candle is in the color of white. I think these will look so cute side by side. You can actually put this in a hot cocoa bar or a little coffee station. I think this sign is very convenient because you could just be changing it around. And last but not least is this one that says it's the most magical time of the year, because it is, guys, and give it a thumbs up if you guys agree. I just love the plaid and I just love the tree. I just think it's so pretty. And this interchangeable sign was $5, guys. That's such a great deal and a steal. And the next thing I picked up is from the Hearth and Hand collection. I just love the stuff that Joanna came out with this year. Picked up 2 trees, and I just like the pots they're in. They're like in a fake ceramic. I just think it looks very rustic, very farmhouse. Each of these trees were $9.99, and I think they're such a great steal just because I just love how they kind of look realistic. The next thing I got from her collection are these adorable small mugs. These are 6 ounces, and I love the little tree inside. I just think it looks very cute. I like the red rim on it and the little stripes. So I picked 2 of these. Each of these were $3.99. And of course, I had to get matching coasters. Guys, this is the cutest thing ever. The coasters were $9.99. They give me a very vintage feel, and I just love stuff like that. I like the bright red on this. And for sure, guys, I'm going to do a hot cocoa bar or a coffee station for Christmas, so stay tuned for those type of videos. I'm actually glad I found a lot of stuff at Target this year. Last year I didn't have that much luck. This year I just loved everything they had. Here is another mug I picked up. This one says this is my Baja mug, and this is so adorable. I actually picked this up for my husband. I just love every detail on this. I like how it looks like a knitted sweater, and the mugs were $5. I picked up another gorgeous mug, and let me show you because I think it's the cutest thing. Guys, this is the cutest mug. I was in a hunt for this one, and I'm glad I found it. I actually picked up two. One was for my mom and the other one for me. And it's so cute because the little cheeks are actually nice and pink and rosy. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I just love every detail on this. From the little bow on the center, and this was $5, guys. Last thing I picked up are these two Febreze air sprays. I just love these. They have the most amazing smell, and they're limited edition. I picked one that's the fresh spice apple, and I'm already using this. It smells so good. The next one is the fresh cut pine, and I'm just saving this for Christmas. I just wanted to give a little spray because I think this smells so good, guys. And honestly, I don't remember the price on these. Either they were 2 for $5 or $2.25 each. I don't remember, guys. I'm so sorry. I also forgot I picked up these nice fuzzy slippers, and they're from the brand of Cat and Jack. And these are in large. These were $10. Guys, I'm a size 8 and these fit me. So if you guys want to get the little kids things, I didn't know, but my cousin is the one who gave me the idea that usually if you're a size 8, these are the sizes, I guess. So I got a pair, tried it on, and they fit me perfectly. So now I have some slippers for $10. But the next thing is Bath & Body Works. So I'm happy I picked up 3 soaps. I'm thinking of going back, and I'll try to vlog to show you guys all the Christmas goodies. But in the hand soaps, I decided to pick up 2 of the Winter Candy Apple, and these are from the Gentle Foaming hand soaps, and I just love the packaging. This is so adorable and nice. $3.95. For some reason, I'm not getting the coupons in the mail anymore, so I have to just kind of wait whatever they give me online, but that's okay. I mean, usually I'll still buy stuff from Bath & Body Works. So I picked up 2 of the Winter Candy Apple, and the third one was in the fragrance of winter, and this was the last one. I wish they had more of these, and like I said, I'm gonna go back and try to vlog and grab more. This packaging is so cute, guys. I just love every detail on this one especially. Who am I kidding? I love both. The next things are candles, and honestly, I don't need any more candles, but I just can't resist, guys. I just love candles, especially the Bath & Body Works one. They come out with the cutest packaging. The first one is this one in the fragrance of holiday, and I just love the packaging. Like I said, I love the little plaid in it, and there's a little gold accent on it. The keynotes for the holiday one is a red cinnamon stick, Christmas clove buds, ground nutmeg with essential oils, and this smells so good. If you guys love the fragrance of cinnamon, I suggest you grab one of these. I can't wait to start burning this, and honestly, I just have the lid off and you could already smell all the cinnamon. You know those fragrant cinnamon pine cones they sell at Michael's or the grocery stores? Literally, it smells like that. The next one is fresh balsam, and this smells so good, guys. I just love any fragrance that smells like a Christmas tree, and this is the cutest packaging. I love all the little trees around the whole glass. Well, in front of the glass. And the keynote for this one is woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, cedarwood with essential oils, and this smells so good. Look at the packaging, guys. I just love the little Christmas stars and the Christmas trees. So cute. And the candles were on sale that day, and they were buy one get one free. Okay, so I picked up this sign at Marshall's, and this one is so gorgeous. I just love the dark green. This one says have yourself a merry little Christmas, and I love that song. This sign was $12.99, and I know where this is going, but stay tuned for you guys to see where I'm gonna put this at. The last thing on my haul is this gorgeous pillow that says Farm Fresh Christmas Tree, and I just love the details on this one. I like the plaid, guys, and I just like the colors. So pretty and gorgeous. I picked this up at Kirkland, and if you guys want to see the stuff they have at Kirkland, there will be a link on my description box so you guys could go and check that video out. What I love about this pillow, you could put it on this side if you just want to go with the plaid, but I really love what it says in the front. The pillow was $24.99, but I used the coupon. It came out to be $18 and I don't know, a couple of cents. And guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, just remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. And like I've mentioned before, just stay tuned with all the new Christmas videos coming up. With all that said, have a wonderful day.